Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Changkuoth Nyak. In today's report, I bring you a developing story from South Sudan, a new report by United Nations expert in raising a big question about how the government managed its money during the 2023 and 2024 financial year. What the UN report found: according to the report, South Sudan government collected more money than expected. Even though oil revenue dropped in the last part of the year, the government planned to spend 1.78 trillion South Sudanese pound, but it ended up spending 2.43 trillion South Sudanese pound, which is more. That is over 600 billion South Sudanese pound more than planned. But here is the concern. Even with all that extra spending, many part of the budget received less money than they were supposed to. Salaries not paid. The report says that less than half of the salary budget was actually paid. Many government workers, including teachers, doctors, and police officers, have reported delay or no payment at all. UN experts say this is linked to bigger economic problem, especially South Sudan heavy dependent on oil. South Sudan depend on oil. The money from oil sale is a big part of the budget, but it is not always spent in the right way. How the money was used. The report also says that control over public fund is too centralized, meaning a few people have too much power over how money is used in South Sudan. This makes it easy for misuse and mismanagement to happen. Some companies, were paid directly for government oil deals without proper procedures. In some cases, oil buyers were told to send payment to other businesses, a move that goes against the country law. One big example of largest spending is the oil for road program. In 2023 and 2024, about 378 billion South Sudanese pound went to this program, almost as much as the total amount spent on all government workers' salaries. South Sudan also has growing debt. The country owes over 2.1 billion US dollar to international banks and lenders, including the Qatar National Bank and the African Export-Import Bank. Some of these debt are related to unpaid oil-backed loan. South Sudan government has stopped repaying many of these loans, and now international courts are involved. In another case, Petronas, a company that produced oil in South Sudan, tried to sell its share, but the government blocked the sale and told the company to hand everything over to NALPET. Now Petronas has taken the matter to international arbitration. The UN is asking the South Sudanese government to be more transparent. The report says public funds must be managed clearly, and according to law, this would help reduce corruption, solve the salary crisis, and rebuild trust in public services. As one former official told the UN, United Nations, when money is not shared fairly, people feel they have to fight for their share. The UN is not accusing any one person, but it is reminding South Sudan leaders to follow rules and take care of their people. South Sudan's future depends on how it handles its money, fairly, wisely, and openly. That is the update for now. Let us know what you think in the comment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on South Sudan and the region. Thanks for watching. Stay informed and stay safe. Bye-bye.